Amidst the green revolution, Hexonenergy sets sail, aiming to be your esteemed energy steward. We focus on delivering safe, innovative, and efficient energy storage solutions, integrating into homes and businesses, making green living accessible. Hexonenergy gathers top global technologies, backed by strong R&D and innovative minds. We are customer-driven, continuously breaking through technological barriers to ensure exceptional product quality. As pioneers in energy storage, we strive to be the leading brand for multi-scenario system solutions, bringing you an unprecedented experience. We actively invest in the construction of new power systems, creating flexible, convenient, safe, and intelligent integrated solutions for various scenarios, expanding applications to contribute to sustainable development. Hexonenergy is committed to building core self-innovation capabilities for a zero-carbon era, becoming a leader in digital energy solutions. Hexonenergy looks forward to journeying with you to build a zero-carbon, beautiful future, letting green energy illuminate every corner of the world.